This is your first try with foot pedal. Let her rip. Okay, so you have to get your foot up on the pedal. There you go. Now get down closer, hit it. Right there. Give it a little more gas, a little more amperage. Wait. There you go. Now move forward slowly. See how you're mounting one peak back up? There you go. Get your arc a little closer, a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. Now move. Now watch that width and try to keep it the same all the way down. A little more gas, a little more amperage, back up. A little closer. A little closer. Now come on, move. Here you go. Make sure both pieces are melting. Nice. There you go. Keep on coming, and then back off the pedal. And it'll go out. So there's your second ever TIG weld. That looks pretty good.